Are you ready to embark on a journey towards financial success? Today, we're going to explore the path that leads to financial freedom, a destination we all aspire to reach. Picture this, you standing tall and confident as you take control of your financial destiny. Step 1. Embrace the power of knowledge. Educate yourself about money management, investments, and saving strategies. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make wise financial decisions. Step 2. Master the art of budgeting. Create a personalized plan that aligns with your income and goals. Track your expenses, cut back on non-essentials, and watch your savings grow. Step 3. Harness the power of compound interest. Invest in assets that have the potential to grow over time. Your money will work for you, multiplying and expanding your wealth. Step 4. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore various avenues, such as stocks, real estate, and entrepreneurship. Spread the risk and maximize your potential reward. Step 5. Protect your hard-earned money. Be proactive with insurance, emergency funds, and estate planning. Safeguard your financial well-being, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Step 6. Surround yourself with a supportive network. Learn from financial experts. Join communities of like-minded individuals and inspire each other as you all strive for success. Step 7. Stay disciplined. Financial success requires patience and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals, adapt to market changes, and don't let short-term temptations derail your long-term plans. Remember, this journey won't always be easy, but it will be worth it. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. So let's get started. The power to shape your financial future is in your hands. Are you ready to make it happen?